SoundHound AI Incorporated at $22.93. Yes, $22.93. All I want y'all thinking about is Nvidia. Yes, Nvidia. Do your research. In 2010, if you bought Nvidia, it would have been give or take $18 a share. 100 shares of that would came out to give or take $1,200. If you would have purchased that in 2010, 100 shares, 2010 would be $1,200. Give or take, in 2020, those 100 shares would have been worth $276,000. I repeat, $276,000 just by investing $1,200. Think about how, GameStop just jumped up. Moderna jumped up. Doge, just certain things just growing. SoundHound AI is the future of AI technology. Invest.